Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. We have been given by the Supreme Father. Now, this is your America. This is your India. But nothing belongs to the America or to the India. It belongs to the Father, Supreme Father. So unless they come to the consciousness, they say, Father has given me to enjoy that this is mine, but actually it belongs to Father. This is called Krishna consciousness. This is called Krishna consciousness. Therefore, those who are Krishna conscious, fully conscious, that nothing belongs to me. Everything belongs. Ishavasvidam sarva. Just kinchit. Even the minute thing, even atom, that belongs to God. I am not proprietor. If this sense comes to you, then you are free. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Manchabhya vicharini bhakti yogi na jasevati. Sagunan samatito etana brahma bhuyaya kalpati. The bondage is Gunamayi Maya being wrapped up by the qualitative modes of nature. That is bondage. But if one is engaged in devotional service, he is not under this bondage because he knows things are there. So, just like I am a foreigner, alien, so I have come to your country. So if I claim that this country is mine, then there is trouble. But if I know that I have come as a visitor or as a foreigner, I have come here, so there is no trouble. I can freely move. I can get all the facilities of the United States government. There is no trouble. Similarly, we come here as traveler, as visitor within this material world, and if we claim that this material world belongs to me or a group of men or group of nation, that is called ignorance. So Krishna consciousness movement means to move this ignorance, to make people intelligent, that nothing belongs to you, everything belongs to God. So here is the general process, renouncement. The Maharaj Yudhishthira, he said, because as I have already explained, that because we are too much absorbed in the conception of ahankar, I am this body, and anything in relationship with this body, that is mine. This is illusion, moha. This is called moha, illusion. Janasya mohoyam. Moho means illusion. This is illusion. What is this? Illusion. Ahagamameti. I am this body, and anything in relationship with it, that is mine. This is called illusion. He does not, the body even does not belong to him, because the body is awarded by God according to your karma. Just like according to your payment, the landlord gives you an apartment. The apartment does not belong to you. That's a fact. If you pay $500 per week, you get very nice, good apartment. And if you pay $25, then you get another. Similarly, these different types of body we have got. Everyone we have got different types. This is apartment. Actually it is apartment, because I am living within this body. I am not this body. That is the instruction of the Bhagavad Gita. Dehinasmin yatha dehi. Asmin dehi, there is the dehi, the occupier, not proprietor. Occupier, just like in any apartment, the occupier is somebody and the owner is somebody. Similarly, this is apartment, this body. I am the spirit soul occupier. I have rented it according to the payment or according to karma.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.